To jak ty nie rozumiesz, tylko kamerę masz. Nie tym kurwa, no.
I'm not filming you, okay?
No.
I'm not filming you.
Nie.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Time right now is 15:20, 3:20. So before 1 hour the temperature was 32 degrees. It's getting really hot. Yes, गर्मी पड़ती है यहाँ पे. बहुत लोगों को लगता है कि यूरोप में गर्मी नहीं पड़ती, but ऐसा नहीं है. गर्मी पड़ती है यहाँ पे. But अभी the temperature has dropped down to 18 degrees and it's going to rain. So right now I'm going to the superstore to buy cold drink or I don't know, something to drink. It's getting really hot. So I'm literally rocking with my flip-flops. Here in Poland people don't usually go out with these flip-flops, but who cares, bro? It's so hot. Fuck, I don't like cherry. This is cola cherry. Oh, this is normal cola. Dzień dobry. Nie, dziękuję. Do widzenia. So finally I bought something to drink. अब बात करते हैं वीडियो के बारे में. तो आपने वीडियो का टाइटल तो देख ही लिया होगा. As per the title, in this video I'm going to talk about the TRC, temporary residence, aka Karta Pobytu. For Poland this is a very hot topic. So currently I'm looking for a place where I can sit and record. Today I just wanted to film outside. It was too hot in my room. और यहाँ यूरोप में पंखे भी नहीं होते हैं and there's no AC. तो if you want to buy a like table fan, आप खरीद सकते हो. Fans नहीं होते like in India, you know, we have that roof fan. यूरोप में नहीं होता ऐसा. Okay, I think this is a good place. Oh, party. Seems like a good place to sit. So as per you have seen from the title, in this video I'm going to talk about temporary residence permit, aka TRC, aka Karta Pobytu in Polish. I just love this popping sound of opening cola bottles. And for those of you who are curious to know, this is actually 250 ml, no 330 ml, and costed me around 2 zlotys, which is 40 Indian rupees. Usually the can bottles are more expensive than the plastic one. I'm blabbing so much. So let's get to the point. So first let me tell you what is TRC. So TRC is temporary residence. I mean, I have said quite a lot of time, but yes, TRC means temporary resident permit. तो बहुत लोग ये सोच रहे होंगे, why do you need TRC? The backstory of TRC is when you'll come from your own country, when you come from India, Bangladesh, Pakistan, or wherever you're coming from. In beginning, when you have applied for your admission, you'll only get visa for 1 year. In many cases, they also give visa for just 6 months. I know it's quite weird, but yeah. So actually change of location because there were some drunk people around. I mean, they were screaming something, I don't know. Stay away from them, you know what I'm saying?
A few inches later.
This seems like a better place. So in this video, I wanted to talk about TRC. So first of all, many of you must be thinking like, why do you actually need TRC? I have my visa, right? The thing about visa is when you are coming to Poland, in the beginning, you will only get visa for 6 months or maximum 1 year. So when you're having a valid visa, I mean, you are good to go. You can travel around, you can do anything you want with your visa. But when your visa expires, you have two options. Either before your visa expires, you can travel back to your own country and then you can get another visa for 1 year and then you can come back. If you don't want to travel back to your country, apply for temporary resident permit in Poland, then you can legally stay in Poland. So in case if you guys are wondering, this is where I'm filming. This is actually a park. This is the locality. There are children playing over there. There's some like outdoor gym kind of thing. Old ladies here which are gossiping. This is cool. It's cool. That's the Sky Tower. That's the most popular building in Poland. That's the landmark of Wrocław. That is the main reason I don't really film outside, because I get distracted very easily and there are so many disturbances going around. So again, I was saying you have two options. Either you can travel back to your country and get the visa again and come back. You have to apply for TRC before 1 day, or you can apply anytime when you come to Poland. Just make sure you apply when your visa is valid. If your visa is expired, then you cannot apply for TRC even if you are in Poland. I hope I'm making things clear. So at this point, many people will be thinking, okay, I'll apply for TRC. What's the problem? There's no problem. You can apply for TRC. There are so many ways through which you can apply. You can apply by yourself. You can apply by an agent or some consultancy. You can hire some consultancy or a lawyer. They will help you to apply for your TRC. So in this video, I'm not telling you how to apply for TRC. I think I will put that for next video. I don't want to make this video very long. Applying for the TRC, I will tell you each and every step how you can apply. I'll put that in another video. So first of all, for TRC, people don't really get appointment. Getting the appointment is also very hard. You have to go to the immigration office, aka Ujone website, and then you have to book the appointment for submitting your documents, or you can just mail your documents to the Ujone. That's also an option. So somebody seems very angry with me. The dog is shouting, you know what I'm saying? So once you have successfully applied for the TRC, you can stay legally in Poland. When you apply successfully for the TRC, you have submitted all the proper documents, you have done your fingerprints, so they will give you a stamp on your passport. The stamps prove that you have submitted your application successfully and you can stay legally in Poland. Nobody can touch you. So getting the stamp is very important, because without the stamp, you cannot do part-time jobs. Your visa has expired and you have applied for the Carta Pobito, aka TRC, then you need a successfully stamped in your passport. So if your passport hasn't been stamped, so the employer, they won't give you job. They will ask you that your visa has expired. There's no proof that you applied for the TRC, so you need a successfully stamp in your passport. Getting the stamp takes very long time, or you can hire an agent. That's also an option. So this was pretty much the case about TRC. Here comes the situation of TRC, which is everybody is suffering from in Poland. So when you applied for the TRC, from the date you have successfully applied, it can take several months. You'll get a letter at your address that you have been appointed an inspector. The inspector will ask you some additional documents, because usually it takes 6 to 7 months, and when your application reaches the inspector, your bank statement has already expired, your insurance might have already expired, rent agreement might have already expired. Then the inspector will ask you everything new. It takes a lot of time. That's the thing about TRC. Oh my god. So here I'm filming a video, and the babushkas, the ladies near me, they are giving me weird stare. I don't care. I'm filming for you all, and I love this thing. I love filming myself. I love making videos, so I don't have any options, right? Okay, so briefly, let me tell you what all the documents you'll need for applying for TRC. The first document you will need is a student status, that you are studying in a university in Poland. The second thing you'll need is a bank statement, and you have to show at least 3,000 to 4,000 euros, and you have to show that in your Polish bank account. The third document which you will need is an insurance. The insurance should be any of the Polish, Polish companies insurance. I would suggest NFZ or PZU. The fourth document you will need is a rent agreement. You have to show that you are living in a dormitory, or wherever you are living, you have to show the contract. These are the main documents which you will need for applying for the TRC. So basically, I'm telling you about the student TRC. I'm not telling you the TRC for people who are working in Poland, or the work permit TRC. So now let me tell you the truth about TRC. The thing is, it takes at least 8 to 9 months, or let's say 1 year. It takes 1 year to get the temporary resident card. I'll put the picture so you will have a look how does it look like. Currently, I'm not having a TRC. I've already applied. I'm waiting for my inspector to reviewing my applications, waiting for my inspector to get some decisions. There are few factors on which your TRC depends. I know few people who have applied for the TRC and they have successfully got. It all depends on your luck, depends on your inspector. In case if you travel a lot, you should apply at least 6 months before your visa is expiring. Or in case if you want to go back to your country and get the visa again for Poland, so that's also an option. If it is feasible for you, then you can do it. आप ये कर सकते हैं. बहुत लोग ये करते हैं that they don't apply for TRC because they know it takes a lot of time. They go back to your country and they get the visa again and they come back. And one of the biggest demerits, I would say, of applying for TRC is that when you have applied for the TRC, you cannot go outside of Poland. You cannot cross the border. You cannot travel in Europe. You cannot just go outside of Poland. You can cross the border, but you cannot come back. For coming back, you need a valid visa. That's one of the biggest demerit of applying for TRC. So when you're applying for the TRC, just have an idea, just think that it will take at least 1 year. Just do things accordingly. Be wise. Zapraszam?
I na temat.
Nie rozumiem.
A tu jak ty nie rozumiesz, tylko kamerę masz. Nie tym kurwa, no.
I'm not filming you, okay?
No.
I'm not filming you.
Nie.
So guys, there was an old man. He was a freak, alcoholic. I don't know what he said to me. I don't know what he said, bro. But he was like, don't film here, I don't know, something like that. Don't film me. I was not filming him, but he was so weird. And also he's messing up with some girls. So you can see, you can always meet this kind of people, and I would say just avoid this kind of people, bro. Today has been crazy. And for TRC, you need to fill the application which is in Polish. I think there's also English, but the English letters are very small. Basically, the application will be in Polish, so if you don't understand Polish, just take some help of your, I don't know, your friend or somebody Polish. Many people had so much doubt that without TRC you cannot do part-time job, without TRC you cannot do this, that. So I hope you had answers from this video. And I would say again, without getting the TRC you can work in Poland legally, but you need that stamp that you have applied for the TRC. So that's the very mandatory thing. You need that stamp for getting job, or you need that stamp for working in Poland. Personally, if you ask me, I would say everybody, if you're coming to Poland, you should apply for TRC, because why not? I mean, if you're right, like if you are living in Poland, if you are studying in Poland for full-time or bachelor's, master's, just apply for TRC. But just keep in mind, it will take a long time. Make your travel plans, or if you want to go back to your country, just make your plans accordingly. And also for applying for the TRC, it doesn't cost a lot of money. The charges for student is 340 zlotys, so it doesn't cost a lot of money. It will cost you 6,000 to 7,000 Indian rupees. So I was saying it doesn't cost a lot of money to apply for the TRC, but if you are applying from the agent, so the agent will charge you usually somewhere around 900 to 1,000 zlotys, which is somewhere around 18,000 to 20,000 Indian rupees. So if you wanna speed up the process, I would suggest go with some agent, but not all the agents are good. Some of the agents are scammers. I have got a lot of story to tell in some other video. One of my friend, and literally I got scammed, so I'll just tell that story in some other video. So right now I'm walking back home. I really hope you got some sort of your answers from this video about TRC. There were so many confusions, so many things going around, so I had to make this video. I think that's pretty much for this video. If you like this video, just make sure you hit the thumbs up, ek like kar dena yaar. And make sure you subscribe to my channel. When you subscribe, it gives me motivation to, you know, keep creating more and more content. It's getting so hot. And I'll see you in my next one. Till then, peace out.